Now let us start with the first part, that is animals. First group of animals who build shelters for themselves. Now see children, if you will look in this picture, first I'll explain you with the help of this picture children, then we will read it. So here if you will see in this picture, you can see a nest. We are learning about the animals who build shelters for themselves, and in this group we have birds. So what is their shelter? Their shelter is their nest. So you must have seen this bird's nest. Yes, nests are shelters that birds build. Now these birds are afraid of animals that eat their eggs. Yes, birds make this nest to lay their eggs, and then also this nest gives, it is a safe place for their babies too. So birds are afraid of the animals that eat eggs. So they need a safe place to lay their eggs, and that is why they make this nest. Then baby birds, they come out of the eggs. See here in this picture you can see these baby birds, they come out of the eggs. Then there are animals that eat these young birds. Okay, so the young birds are too weak. They are not that strong children, they are small, no? So they are too weak to defend themselves. Defend means to save themselves from these big animals. That is why the nest keeps the young ones safe, and this is the reason birds build nest. Now see, take for example, if thieves come at your house and you are there, will be able to defend yourself children from these thieves? No, because you all are small. Same is with this baby birds. They are too weak to save themselves from these big animals. That is why the mother bird they build this nest to keep their eggs and babies safe in this nest. See here in this picture you can see how the mother bird is taking care of the babies. Now see children, let us see what things are used by these birds to build the nest. They use things like grass, then straw. Straw means children dry grass. Okay, straw means dry grass. And twigs. Now twigs means what? We have already learned this word in lesson 1 children. Twigs means, see here the bird is holding the twig in its beak. Twigs means a thin branch of a tree. Okay, so birds, they make use of grass, then straw, that is dry grass, and twigs to build their nest. Then they may even use cotton wool. See here, these are also twigs. They may also use cotton wool and pieces of thread or string. String means thin thread only children. Okay, so along with grass, straw and twigs, birds also make use of cotton, cotton wool and pieces of thread or string to make their nest. And this cotton wool and this pieces of thread and string, this makes the nest soft and warm inside. See children, now you sleep on your bed. Yes, and on the bed you have your mattress. Yes, gadi, what you call in Hindi or Marathi, gadi. Okay, so this mattress, how you feel while when you sleep on that? You feel soft, isn't it? So same way, these birds, they make use of cotton wool and pieces of string or thread. So this makes their nest soft and warm. Then you know children, the nest of all birds are are not all alike. Alike means they are not same. Now we all live in our house. Yes, are all houses same, children? No. Some live in bungalow, some live in a building. Yes, some live in chawl. There are different types of houses. Same way, the nest of all birds are not same. See, here you can see this nest, hanging one. Then here you can see round nest. Here this is also a nest which is made by making use of leaves, big leaves you can see. Okay, here also you have this nest which is hanging. So the nest of all birds, they are not same. Now birds, they choose convenient places to build their nest. Convenient means safe places to build their nest. Now let us see. Now here you have this picture of weaver bird, children. Which bird is it? It is called weaver bird. Now this weaver bird, it chooses a thorny tree. Thorny tree means what, children? See, काटा रहता है ना, that is called thorny. कांटे वाला झाड़ select करता है. Okay, so thorny tree. Here you can see. And after choosing a thorny tree, this tree has some branches hanging over water. See, here you can see some water. Yes. Then it builds its nest on the highest of these branches. सबसे ऊपर. Why, children? Why the weaver bird is doing so? See, I repeat, the weaver bird, this is a weaver bird. Weaver bird chooses a thorny tree and which has some branches hanging over water. Then it builds this nest on the highest, at the top you can see, of these branches. Why the weaver bird is doing so, children? So that the animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach this nest. Yes, children, see, animals, if they want to eat the eggs or babies of this weaver bird, they have to climb this thorny tree, isn't it? So that is not easy. Then below it you have some water also, so even if they will climb, they will fall, and if they fall, they will fall in this water, isn't it? Yes, and it is very difficult for these big animals to climb the top, that is the highest branch of this tree. So that is why the weaver bird is making the nest at the highest of this branches.